Good morning, students. This is Harsha Prabhu, and in this SEM, I will take computer applications in business for fourth SEM. So, fourth SEM consisting of Microsoft Excel in first three chapters. It is part 1, part 2, and part 3. Fourth chapter is MIS, and fifth chapter is SAP. In last SEM, we learned the Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is specially used for write the text and do the editings. And MS Excel is used for numerical operations. And one more applications we learned in last sem, that is Microsoft PowerPoint. So Microsoft PowerPoint is used for the presentation purpose. So one more name for this Microsoft Excel is spreadsheet. So spreadsheet means it is a special software tool for entering, calculating, manipulating, and analyzing the set of numbers. Microsoft Excel is specially used for numerical operations. The first spreadsheet VisiCalc, that is visible calculator, was introduced in 1978 for Apple III. Lotus 123 was introduced in 1983 and held the largest market share for a considerable period of time. In 1987, Cotra Pro and Excel were introduced. Both are used for graphical user interfaces. Means different spreadsheet operations are there. That is VisiCalc, then Lotus 123, Cotra Pro, and MS Excel. MS Excel has taken over the spreadsheet market for varieties of reasons. It is oftenly considered as the most advanced feature and easy to use spreadsheet program. Spreadsheet programs are used in accounting, sales, inventory control, financial aspects, and business or tabulation of marks. Today, several spreadsheet packages are available to prepare budget, to forecast further cash needs, prepare examination mark sheet, etc. So in simple definition, we can say that it is the world most widely used spreadsheet program which is used for performing numerical calculations. So it is not only used for numerical calculations, here we can do non-numerical applications, means we can write the text also. So it is having different uses. First one is number crunching, means we can create budgets, analyze survey results, and perform just about any type of financial analysis which you can think of. So after creating the database, so we can refer the database in terms of charts, means we can analyze in graphical way. Different charts are available. Bar chart are there, scatter charts are there, xy charts are there. Then once the number is ready, so we can organize it, so either it in row or in a column layout. Next, accessing other data. So we can access any MS Excel program from other devices and we can export the data also. Next one is about creating graphics and diagrams. So in insert tab, so one application is available. So here we can draw different graphics and different diagrams. Then automated complex task is also available. So what we can say it as a macro. So macro is a set of programs So we can store in a single button. So when we click on this single button, automatically we can do the different tasks. Here different features are also available. First one is that we can create a database, we can create a worksheet, and we can create a chart. So other than that, different features are available. Here built-in functions are available. With the help of built-in functions, we can do the calculations easy and fast. So what is functions? Functions are nothing but the set of formulas. If I want to calculate the square root, or if I want to find the sum, or if I want to find the subtractions. So different formulas are available. With the help of that one, we can easily find it. Then in MS Excel, results are very much accurate. Large volumes of data can be easily handled and manipulated. So any number of volumes we can easily store, any number of data we can store it. Worksheets and their parts can be exchanged and worked, etc. Informations can be exported or imported from other software, means we can transfer it to other device and we can import it from other device. Then pictorial representation of worksheet and data possible to various graphs and charts. Formulas are automatically recalculated when data values are changed. So for example, if we type 10 plus 10, so the result will be 20. And if I want to change any one number, then no need to write the formula. So automatically, if I enter the formula in any one cell, so automatically the result will come. No need to type the formula again. It includes number of databases, functions which allow us to work with data in a tabular form. Then what if analysis option is available. With the help of that one, so complex decisions we can do in a easy way. So next one is regarding capabilities and limitations of Microsoft Word. So once you opened MS Excel, so I think all of you know how to open MS Excel. So just click on start button, it opens a menu. Here select all programs, then Microsoft Office option is available. In that select Microsoft Excel 2007. Once when you click on MS Excel option, automatically it opens a window which consisting of number of components, like title bar is there, office buttons are there, ribbons are there. So here you can easily view. So MS Excel spreadsheet consisting of number of pages. So what we can say it as a sheets. In MS Word, the default file name is document1, but MS Excel default file name is book1. Normally book consisting of number of pages. So here also, once we open any one MS Excel application, it opens with a default file name book1, which consists of number of sheets. By default, we can view sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. So when we click on the plus mark, automatically extra pages, means extra sheet will get active. Each sheet consisting of number of rows and columns. So it consists each sheet consisting of 10,48,576 rows and 16,384 columns. Rows are headed by numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 10,48,576, and columns are headed by alphabets, that is A, B, C, D. So 26th column is Z, then 27th column is A, 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 B up to AZ. Next again same way continues B, A, B, B to B, Z. So 16,384th column is XFD. So this is for 2 marks. So Excel consisting of dash rows and dash columns. So 10,48,576 rows and 16,384 columns. And the combination of the row and column is called as cell. So in next class we will learn the components of MS Excel. Thank you.